Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. Of course, it's another day in Jamaica. I started the morning with my coconut garlic lobster and breadfruit. It was so yummy. Um, then of course the rain, the rain, the rain.
Rain a fall, breeze a blow, chicken out a dough. What's in the pick up this stuff off the line? Look at that. You hear that? Yeah. This just started, like 2 minutes is so long.
Anyways, the rain won't stop our plans. So my friend Vitz and I, we're going on a trip. Anyways, we stopped by to see my uncle and we had a vibe. It was so much fun. Big up my uncle Errol. Then of course we had to go to Devon House ice cream. Look here. My tongue falling at the place. I didn't know what to get. I wanted to get cheesecake. I wanted to get lychee cake. They had lychee cake. I never saw that one before. But of course my other me 2 scoop of ice cream and so on and so forth.
What kind of cake is? What is this? Lemon cheese. Lemon cheese.
Where you putting that? One straight cookie and one straight rum, right?
Little Devon stout. A 2 scoop, me get to know.
So Devon stout.
Me no know. Let me see. A rum and raisin. Yes. Yeah. This is Nick ordering ice.
No photos.
I don't know what things going on with this same camera shy. No photos, please. Oh, what you? Oh my god.
Name if you buy me.
Lemon one?
Cheesecake. That one. Waiting. I think somebody did every day, but never did every day. Maybe they and the path. Yeah, wicked. Check in that bag.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, everyone. As per usual, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. See you on the next vlog.